Here we go, folks. Time to proper geek out here. Right camera, there we go. Get into the network switches. Very nice patch panel there. As you can see, you can also change connections between devices and the switch. There should be an order in the company. I hope you'll keep it. Right, let's quickly try this F12. Advanced CPU configuration. I wonder if that will do anything. Probably no, but we'll see. Just loading the defaults if something's been changed. There we go. Sorted. Alright. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. My name's Brian, Weirskynet, and today we are starting a new Let's Play series on a game that absolutely was phenomenal, kind of a simulation game. I just loved it. It was such a fun game to play, and I've had some good feedback from folks on it as well. So this one is going to be IT Specialist Simulator. So I did get a free copy of the game from keymailer.co, which is good because I was going to buy it anyway, but also we got one for free, which is good. So we're going to do the full Let's Play series from it. We're going to play it from the start until the finish. There is a development cycle because it is released on early access, and they do plan on they've got a roadmap out for like development of what's going to happen over the next kind of 12 months. So not all features will be there. Some things might be broken and they're going to be working to fix it. But you're going to be on the journey with us, and we're just going to fire in and see what it's like. So this game was really, really good in the fact that it was so accurate in IT support, if you know what I mean. So like the things that you were doing, and it was like very, very what you would do in an IT kind of support job and role. It wasn't like trying to like, just joking and things like that. It was like, go and do this, go and plug in this and that next thing. So it got you kind of thinking outside the box for a lot of it as well. So aye, let's have a wee look here. Let's see, is there any music on this? I don't think there is. I think there is any. Graphics, ultra. Let's put it up to ultra. Quality very high, ultra. Post processing, bloom enable, motion blur off because we don't like motion blur. I'm trying to see. I don't know if there is any sound. This is very, very quiet audio. Music volume. Yes, here. It's not just me though. I'm not hearing any music, am I? Right, no, there's definitely no music in it, right? So that might be something that they need to fix as well, but let's fire into it. So we're just got to go, as I said, new game here. Game name, My World. Wheels World. Difficulty level medium. If you don't have an experience with computer configuration, computer networks, or the IT industry, we recommend choosing the easy difficulty. We're going to go for medium here. Solely because my job role is an IT support engineer. So we'll see how it goes here. But in saying that though, every IT job's different. Some kind of companies, they've got their own network department, they've got their own server department, so you don't really touch them as an engineer kind of thing. They'll just pass them off to that department and they'll deal with it. So it's interesting because this gets you doing all of that pretty much. Right, avatar. What can my wee guy look like? We're going to go with that wee guy that kind of slightly looks like me. We'll go with that. Does it work? Create your first world. Affects the visibility of certain applications and information. For example, if the player is on easy, the run application is visible directly in the menu. If the player is on hard, information about the computer won't be displayed on the desktop. Well, there we go. Get out of bed. Very, very quiet. Music. 2 wee seconds here. Right, look to the left, to the right. WSAD, there we go. Left control crouch. Stand up, left control, there we go. Sit down at the computer and look at the monitor. There we go. Control R, run. Woohoo. NCPA. Right. Network control panel. See, I knew that there. Right, go to change network card settings, open Ethernet properties by right clicking on it or double clicking it, go to properties. Properties of the TCP/IP. Change the IP address to 192.168.10. 168.10.70, that'll do. 168. I see, this is like proper like IT. Hold on here, right? I'm going to put the volume up a wee bit more. It's really, really quiet here. I've got the volume up in OBS quite loud as well here, folks, so apologies if the game volume's a wee bit quieter. Right, anyway, properties. Right, 192.168.10.70, that'll do. Hit the gateway to 192.168.10.1. The 10.1. 255, 255, 255, 0, that'll do. Bingo bango. Oh, we're connected. Search the web for job offer that interests you. Open the browser and go to dobly.com. So I've got like voxel crafts, like a wee Minecraft thinking. I mean, I think every work computer should come with like a wee kind of Minecraft or a wee game on it. It'd definitely make the day go on a lot quicker, wouldn't it? Hey, browser. Dobly.com, show offers. IT and technology, but we've got nothing. E-learning specialist. Volunteering mid. Physiotherapist. Human resources specialist. I mean, there's position requirements, knowledge of HR practices and labour laws, strong interpersonal and communication skills, experience in recruitment and employee relations. No. Installation technician. Solve problems. I don't know about that. Let's see. Mid, senior, junior. See, there's no jobs like in the kind of IT and technology bit here. That's the thing. What's that other wee? Is there anything else here I'm not set? Pixel team red up. Right, so just going to take e-learning specialist. Knowledge of multimedia and learning technologies. death by PowerPoint. Let's go for the installation technician. Don't know what we'll be doing for it, but we'll apply for it anyway. Play the game, Craft. Right, here we go. Computer isn't the only thing you can interact with. Go to the living room and sit on the couch on the TV. Right, here we go. Living room, sit on the couch, look at TV. I've got to go into the options here, but it doesn't allow me to do the options just now. Sit on the couch, look at the TV. Right, watch TV. Come on. Channel 2. Channel 3. I'm kind of hoping that they do actually give you like some wee different channels, if you know what I mean. They're just kind of like wee promotion ones now. Right. I need to put. I'm getting screened here, but I don't think it's coming across on the video. I'm just checking OBS now, so it's not coming across in the video, which is alright, but I'm definitely getting some screen tear on my screen, so. But once I can get into the options again, I'll turn on the resync. Right, check Dobly again. Dobly, show offers. Oh, junior IT service. There we go. Submit an application. Completed the tutorial. There we go. That was alright, isn't it? So, as I said, this is going to be like weekly episodic content here, folks. So this is episode 1, just doing it from the start here, seeing what it's like, and then we'll build on it each week with a different episode, just picking up from where we left off, and see where the support takes us. Did you know, if you're having trouble solving the issue, check the procedure on the wiki that requires a VPN connection. Right, here we go. Check your email, right, so email. Don't have access to the network. Alright, maybe not. Hey, there we go. Right. Well, see enter. It's worth knowing where things are in the company. Open the map to see where you are. Map. Right. Warehouse computer, warehouse. Alright, there you go, move the map about. IT room, IT manager, IT room printer, server rack, HR room, HR printer, HR computer, HR printer, office, kitchen. Find the locker on the map that's located in the storage area. Storage area. Locker, storage. There we go, locker. Turn off the map and go to the locker. Alright, so it's in this wee bit here, isn't it? So, right, so it's doing this way. And it's in here, the locker. And yeah, I can't wait. Main menu. Can I I know, get into the options here. That's a bit annoying that you can't get into the game options. Pause game. Resume. No. Alright, you can't get into the options, right, so I'll just need to do it later. This is your locker, you can open it using interaction E. Right, better. Close the locker. Alright, head to the IT room. You need to configure a few things first before your first tasks. Right, IT room. Where was the IT room? Kitchen. Warehouse. The IT room's right at the end. IT. Open your door. No, close the door. Close the door, right. This is your office. You're in charge here, but only on the second shift. Your senior colleagues take some on the shift. That's when most of the failures happen, and he has experience. Well, you're just a rookie. That's what he thinks. It's that by configuring the network on your tablet. Open the tablet. Got settings. Where's the settings? Wi-Fi tab. EP. Right. Set the second authentication method as MS Chats. Yep. Identity to user. Password to QWERTY 123. User. Password. 3. Right. Advanced options. Show advanced options. Into the pack address. And we no, we need to take APE. Yes. See what I mean? It gets you doing quite a lot of things, doesn't it? Like you would generally need to do to create like get iPads to go into like a corporate Wi-Fi or iPhones just because they don't want to work right and folk don't want to give over their data. WPAD, got that. Right, and then click connect. Hey, connected. Hey, there we go. There we go. Access, it's already a big plus. Go to your computer, you'll find it at the end of the IT room by the windows, then sit down, use your computer, use the function key. Right, so this must be my one here. The view, see a nice wee view outside of the world there. Always makes the day go on. Right, come on. The computer isn't a regular workstation like others, it also serves as a server. If it's turned off, some parts of the company's systems automatically stop working. Well, it's a bit dumb. Server started. This is your little command center. Here you can manage the entire company. Open the browser and go to wiki storage. I'm guessing this is the hamster browser speed test. Oh, we can't do a speed test. I love doing a speed test. Right. Oh, right, tablet. What? Oh, it's like the Microsoft Authenticator. So they've even got like the Microsoft Authenticator thing built into it, which is annoying in itself because it prompts you for things at dumb times of the day. Right, let's go back to the computer, disconnect so we're on the VPN. Storage. Storage, where's the... Where? Oh, I didn't even notice it. No, that's the VPN, so where's the browser? Oh. Did not even notice that there. Right, there we go. As you can't see, that page couldn't be found. This is because the headquarters is in Germany and you're trying to access them directly. Well, I have already enabled the VPN. See? We are ahead of the game here, folks. Right, so... right, so the VPN's on. Close the browser. Fast one, click the connect button. Right, I need to disconnect it again and then connect it. Hopefully it doesn't ask me for authentication. Oh. Typical Microsoft Authenticator fashion as well, man. It prompts you for it every time you say something dumb. What was that their number there? 86, wasn't it? Sure it was 86. Hey, it was, right. So, right. There we go. As a peer portal, you already have internet on your tablet. Press enter. Right, so we've done that. What takes you to the activation key? Right. Come on. I see I've already done the tablet. I'll authenticate that. Back to the computer. Right. Already done that, right? Great, you're now connected to the VPN. You can close it, applications and like a background will keep you running. There we go. We open the browser and go to the wiki. We put that on the desktop. Anyway, right, which has several branches in different countries. Check the procedures. As you can see, there's a list of files to download here. These are mostly procedures that will make your work easier and expand your knowledge. Download any file. So let's go. Password for the organisation. Let's download that. We'll just download them all, to be fair, right? There's only a couple of ones here anyway. How to make a bootable pen drive. Ooh. Installation of a system. Pixie folks. Network proper operation of network devices. Network standard in the Katowice branch. Fair enough. Correct RCP configuration. Data for IT teams. Right. Go to downloads in the folder and file explorer. Downloads. As you notice, the file has a strange icon. This is because the computer doesn't have an application like PDF files. Left click on the downloaded file. So, alright, so left click on the notepad. Go to the store. Browse the store application, right? PDF reader. There we go. Install. PDF. And there we go. You can do the same. Install the PDF reader. It's getting done. Done. You can create a shortcut on the desktop using the buttons in the App Store. Create a shortcut on the desktop, that'll do it. Go to the downloads folder again. Hey! Look! How to make a bootable USB drive. Use Rufus. Rufus makes a bootable pen drive, folks, as long as you have an ISO image. Pretty much what that's telling you there, right? See, it's not complicated. We gain a lot of knowledge using the forum help or directly from our internal procedures on the wiki. Right, fair enough. Open the mail app. Right. Check the task category. Tasks 1. Can you set my wallpaper and system colours to something orange? I really like that colour. Critical incidents are events that require immediate intervention and repair, usually for a service level agreement SLA. Such incident is 4 or 6 hours. Critical incidents 4 or 6 hours? That seems quite a lot. No gonna lie, folks. Anybody that works in IT will know critical incident SLAs is normally 1 to 2 hours. 4 to 6 hours, they're popping you at the bit and booting down doors to get an answer. Right. This one here, he wants his wallpaper changed to something orange. Do that. New job offer. Check your mail or website. In addition to critical incidents, we also encounter tasks with high, medium and low priority as well as service requests. It's important not to exceed the time that we have to resolve a task. If you exceed the time, the reward for completing the task will be reduced by a penalty. Fair enough. However, if you don't complete the task before the end of the shift and it's already overdue, or or only 1 hour remains to finish it, you will receive a penalty as well. Well, press the function key to open the task window. Escape. Right, service request. As you can see, this is several pieces of information such as a problem description, device owner, IP address, location, remaining to complete the task, as well as information about the reward and penalty. It's a warehouse computer for Kyle Singh. Warehouse Singh. You can also get help if you're lost. Click the yellow light bulb in the upper right corner so you can learn more. I think that's good. Alright then. In the settings you'll find options to change your wallpaper in the system's asset color. Right, we know that. Find the computer on the ticket on the map. When you hover over the device, you see the user's data and additionally the task vehicle. Turn on the computer, go to press I. Right. Change his colour on his wallpaper. How do we get resume? Okay. Right, so it's a wee warehouse guy's computer input, so it's that one there input, so we're going up and left. This wee bit here. Is it this wee bit here? Warehouse time sign. Aye, there we go. Right, use computer. Come on. Right. There we go. Control panel. It's normally something on the application, so settings. Alright, there we go. Settings, personalization, something orange, wallpapers, something orange. That's no problem. Personalization, wallpapers. I'm sure that's what it was. So. Let's see, mail, tasks. button again for the task view. Anyway, find the computer. When you hover over the device, you'll see the user's data. Turn on the computer, go to personalized settings and set the wallpaper indicated in the ticket. What was the task view button again? Mail. Task, alright, there we go. Wallpaper. Something orange, I really like that color. Each step lights up green, not all actions are always displayed. Taskbars are orange, those are orange elements. Task is done, there we go. Right, that'll go. Orange and orange. There we go, sorted. Changing wallpaper is not the only thing you'll be doing. Go to your computer and open the browser. So we're back to my computer now. Browser. Right. 192.160.45.1. Some devices have their own web interface. When you enter the IP address of a device on the network, you'll see a system that device runs. Devices can connect to include office printers, network devices, servers, recorders, monitoring cameras, and more. Good. Search forum help and find the default password for the router. If you already know it, just type it in. Default password network. Default password for the router. Discovered the 404 page site. We got a wee achievement for that one there. Is this in it? Going to downloads into it. Installation proper network drive. Password for organisation. Right, so it's admin and admin. That's a really original password there. Browser. There we go. As you can see, there are several tabs. The router in our company is an SD-WAN router. It has two connections. One is a fixed line ISP connection, another is an LTE module. The router switches to LTE in case of issues with the fixed line. The backup line. Right, currently they are in the process of changing providers and the router is only working on LTE 4G. In the coming days this will change and the new provider will appear. We'll be informed about this by name. Step away from the computer and crouch and look under the network sockets on your wall. Press the E function key. Socket, there we go. can disconnect patch cords and replace them. To do this, you must have a patch cord in your inventory. Keys in turn can be found in various places in the building. Don't collect them all, because if they don't fit in your locker, you'll have to throw them away. Right. Next, by pressing E. Fair enough. You can also connect USB devices to the computer. Pouch and look for the front USB ports. Next device. As you can see, our computers have 3 USB ports at the front. You can also view your inventory. Currently, you don't have anything interesting in your inventory. Exit the port view by pressing E. USB 2 and 3 ports. 2 is useless nowadays, folks. Nobody uses it. E, right. You can use a new flash drive. Luckily, we have one lying in the first desk in the IT room. Find it, pick it up, and I'm using the function key E, first desk in the IT room. Hey, there we go. Pick up pen drive. Onto USB ports view. Connect drive. Connect the device. You must select the port and the device in your inventory and click connect. Not every USB device works correctly on USB 3. It is nowadays, to be fair. In the case of flash drive, the 3.0 port is better choice because it's simply faster. There we go. Correct. There we go. Done. Open File Explorer. Right. File Explorer. Pen drive. As you can see, the computer has 2 drives and a flash drive has appeared. It's currently empty. The flash drive will be useful for a few tasks. For example, you can create a bootable USB with an OS. There we go. Rufus time, folks. If you need to install the system or repair it, use the procedures in the wiki and help from the forum. Help. Right. Network sockets and USB ports aren't the only interactions you can perform. Walk over to the rack cabinet IT room and press the function key. Here we go. Here we go, folks. Time to proper geek out here. Rack cabinet, there we go. Get into the network switches. Very nice patch panel there. As you can see, you can also change connections between devices and the switch. There should be an order in the company. I hope you'll keep it. Critical task. Another ticket just came in. Go to mail and check it. What broke this time? Remember, forum help and the wiki, internal wiki are a huge source of knowledge, and you'll find everything you need. I recently even saw a post about calculating a subnet mask from binary code. Good luck. Right. So, which are you? Critical task. Mail. Right. Keep again in case you need it. That's fine. Fair enough. Site on mountain trip invitation. Get the junk emails through, don't you? Site mountain. Oren. Alright. Critical tasks. Right, here we go. Tasks. Critical. Tasks. Select service request. I thought that would have said there. That's what it said. Task. Right, hold on. I might just need to take it from my mail. Tasks. Right, there we go. 5. Wallpaper. Done. Right, that one's done. Wow, there's a load of tasks in there. We know, just delete that one. There we go. Turned on my computer and got a blue screen. Did something about memory issues. Remember someone mentioned TPM during training. Could it be that? Let me know if there's anything I can do. Right. It's critical physical one, or that's the thing. Tasks, right? There's the office printer. Need to enable command menu on the switch from Germany right now. All changes are lost. Let's see, is there anything I can do? Right, storage IP. Elizabeth Jones. Fighting device. Hi, today I went on some strange websites. I thought about playing a game that my friend sent me. Unfortunately, I tried to save the situation, defeat the virus. Right, so there's a virus on the network as well. Connection to the office printer. Change the screen colour to yellow, like on some phones. Email on my computer. Right. Oh, there's a good amount of tasks here. Tasks, let's see, critical office printer issue. I haven't had any connection with my printer in the last 3 hours. 3 hours. It's not just me. Can you take a look? Printer is connected. Right, so Office 104. There we go, map. Tasks, who is it? Noah Rugby business. Office Noah, David, Eva, Gregory. Noah, right, so, right, there we go. It's just like IT, isn't it? You get nothing for ages and then everything comes in at once. But you don't want to fix any of them. They're like dumb issues. Right. Is that, where am I going actually? Kitchen, warehouse, office. Right, virus. Alright, I went the completely wrong way. Utility room. Office. Right, so there's office printer. Network. Printer IP address is 192.168.10.173. Printer is connected to the network. Let's see, is it? Use printer. Printer does look as if it's connected to the network. It's got an IP address. Probably this wee dude's machine somewhere. Disconnect patch cord. No, because the patch cord's there, so it's what's wrong with his machine. Come on. Right, let's have a wee look here. Ooh. So that is connected. Tasks, what's it saying? Any connection with the printer for the last 3 hours. She's got it. Why is it not getting any? He's connected to the Ethernet. Is there any way we can test it? No, I want to test it until it's connected to the network. Aye, it's connected to the network. I'm sure it is. This is X. Let's check this again. Until connected to the network. Network. 192.10.173. 255.0. There we go. That was a weird one, but we've done it anyway. I turned on my computer today, TPM, Warehouse Elizabeth Joan. Start computer in safe mode. Right, so where's Elizabeth Jones? Exit. Right, we need to turn off this wee guy's machine, didn't we? Use computer. Power. Shut down. There we go. Goodbye. Elizabeth Jones. Right, where's her machine? So that's Eliana Brown, Emma Johnson. Right. Might as well get the virus one now. I think this is a virus one. Right, Emma. Right, there we go. Right, what's the one? What's the tasks for this one? Fight the virus. Check notifications and the antivirus. Right, let's do that then. We're here now, so we might as well do it. Turn on. Right. Yeah, webmail. Concerning websites in your browsing history. Oh, hi gamers, due for the sack here folks. Clear browsing data in your web browser. Scan the system to find suspicious browsing applications, remove any potential threats. Right, here we go. Browser, settings, privacy, clear browsing data. No. Top tip what I gave you, like the wee thing, to see like an Edge and Chrome where you can clear it from all time. Maybe I can clear browser data appearance. Maybe change the appearance because I like it. Scan. Detecting threats. Computer's full of viruses. See if the computer was full of viruses at this point. You wouldn't even try and scan it with antivirus, you would just get it off them, slap them, and then wipe their machine. Like disconnect it for the network, it wouldn't be connected to the network, that's for sure. Computer. Very warm, remove threats. Removing threat. Like typical antivirus fashion, it's crashed. Oh no, it's still removing them. Thought it had crashed there, folks. There we go, verify remaining files. System scan is running. Oh, see, that was no bad, wasn't it? Right, close. Here we go, done that one. Power, shut down, right. So we go into the tasks. That one's been done. DPM. Does that one. HR room. Warehouse. So we need to go to the warehouse machine. Kitchen, warehouse. That's a long. That one. Just in, right? So it's along the first one in, right? Right now. Right. Long and the first one in. On. In case this one PC has run into a problem. Dun dun dun. Faulty hardware corrupted page. Blue screen of death, folks, from Windows. We've not seen that many times, eh? Into the BIOS. Who was this one anyway? Tasks. Start the computer in safe mode. Alright, so just to start it in safe mode, right? Thought it said something. Exit. Bit more, bit menu, launch options. Oh no, there we go. Safe mode. Safe mode with Ethernet, then they can log in. Hey, there we go. BIOS won't book me, it's Yuffie turn. Fix PC starter pair from the BIOS. Is there anything else to do for this task? Check the event log. Event log. Terminal. See, here's the event viewer. Control panel, settings. Activation. Where the hell's the event viewer? Normally you just type it in and it'll go to it. There's no MSC, I thought it was MSC for the event viewer. Terminal application store. No. Control panel. System. What is the event viewer? See, normally you could just type in event viewer, something like that. Yeah, emails and that. Documents. I'm missing something here. Wait, hold on. Tasks. Check the event log. let's get my wee tablet out here. PDF reader. Virus PR, home, mail, on my device. Obviously, I've got nothing on my device. No, close tablet. See, hold on, wait here. Right, use computer, it's Control R. Is it event viewer? Simply, hold on a minute, let's just stay at this way here. See, event viewer, system. You just type in event, it finds it. Where's the event viewer? I'm not losing my marbles here, folks, am I? Was that my game? Alright, this is my machine here. Alright, I was like, is that the game? No, this is my machine, folks. It's an event where viewer error. Right, there we go. There's something new every day. Activation, system components. Recovery. There must be a way. Paint your terminal. What? Paint your open. What do we see here? Let's have a wee. Event VWR. Right, let's try that. Control. EVENT VWR. No. Terminal. Wait, it says here from command prompt you can type it in by EVENT VWR. Where's the event viewer? Is this even the right machine? That is the right machine. Store. Does it need to be in here? Oh, the apps, then I'll go maps. No found applications, right? So calendar's no there. It's no the speed test. It's no the browser. I'm at a loss here for this one, folks. I don't know where. The tasks are free. Check them out here. Is there an option in the RCP to change the screen colour to yellow? Right, we're going to let's do the HR one and then we'll come back to that. What machine is it for the HR one? HR printer. So it's the only machine that's here, isn't it? It's this one right here. Come on. What's the tasks for this one? Tasks. Enable eye protection mode, brightness set between 50 to 90%. Right. Eye protection mode. display, lighting, 70, personalization, display. Normal colors. That's just wallpapers and normal colors, privacy and security, file encryption, count, system. Enable eye protection mode. And we can do everything directly on the device. You need to access the settings. You'll find the instructions and configuration on the wiki. It shows you how to get settings if you're interested in the display settings. Alright. Use computer. Display. Scale, horizontal, 70, 80. Personalization, privacy. Is it 50 maybe? Passes. Kind of feel. Right, hold on. Right, let's go and just check this here because it should just be in the settings here. There's nothing overly special about it. But I'm going to need to go back to my one here and check the wiki. Tutorials, let's see. How to identifiers, kernel usage, types of computers, what is PowerShell, network card says, networking devices, logs. Homework help. Terminal usage. Right here. Right. Few new members on the phone. For applications, control R. Let's start with a few simple commands. Updater. Event viewer. VWR.msc. Alright, so that's it there. Right, so I'm going to let's take a wee thing of that there because I'm going to need that very, very shortly here. So let's see. Right, there we go. That will help. Wiki, browser, wiki storage, procedures, system, RCP, correct, RCP. See, I've already got that there, haven't I? Desktop downloads, installation, network, correct RCP configuration, the apps, That's done nothing really. We see. Right. There's some ones that tasks that I've got left here actually. Tasks. Enable eye protection mode. Check the event log. Right, we're going to go back and do that one now. Let's just go and do that. Exit. We've got the thing here, we can go and actually do the event log. What was the thing? It was event viewer.msc. Right. BWR.msc. Yay. Oh. Right, where's the task saying it? Prepare the computer. Computer started normal. Right, what? System log. System critical project. Something called the hardware corrupted page, corrupted RAM caused by the system. Faulty hardware. Right. It's not faulty hardware, prepare the computer. Wait, because normally you would just turn that off then. Right. Let's just try this, right? Power. Truck. F2. It's not going to be really. I mean, scope memory in it, that's the thing. If you were getting a memory error, it wouldn't boot at all, it would just crash straight away. It wouldn't even go into safe mode most of the time. Let's see if it does anything. Faulty hardware, corrupted page, so it still just did the same. Takes a wee bit longer than normal, didn't it? Right, what's it saying? What's it saying the tasks? Prepare the computer. Put options. Put the launch options. Yeah. For safe mode again. I think we're going to get everything done today, folks. It's actually took a wee bit longer. Right. Just with the applications. Okay. page. Aye. Let's see, hold on there. Tasks, what does it say here? Use safe mode, add a back and forth. Find the error information and search online and the procedures. Take the task. Alright, done. Okay. Right, what's error? What's it say? Event code 112B. Call to hardware, corrupted page. 112B. These errors are somewhat related. Check pending operations and all settings with names like hierarchy. Right, so it's going to be something in the BIOS then. There's nothing there. Right, let's quickly try this F12. Advanced CPU configuration. I wonder if that will do anything. Probably no, but we'll see. Just loading the defaults if something's been changed. There we go, sorted. Alright. Computer started normal. Aye. Log in. Right, so shut down, right, there we go. Done. Task. Computer did start normal. Try again. Right, so tasks. Computer started normal, that's the thing. You've got to love IT. Task. Alright, there we go, mark is done, right. Blue white light. Find instructions configuration on the wiki. Resume. Let's quickly just check this one here for the wiki. Where it says things are okay about procedures. Oh, end of day. Oh damn, I didn't get it all. Reputation 22. Go to expired tasks. Complete computer task 2 plus 3. Well, we got a good few tasks done there, folks. Continue. Critical task, right, I'm going to save it there. Main menu. Action before the end of the day will cause you to lose your current game progress. Aye, exit, that's fine, because we're literally just done that day anyway. Right, so there we go then, folks. That is us. We are in to, we've completed the first day. We did get quite a few tasks there. Some of the things you need to go, as you've seen, you need to go kind of back and forth for like the tasks, check the wiki, check this and that. So it's no, although you know the things how to do it, it's not just straight there, if you know what I mean. So it's like kind of tweaking the kind of things for it in your settings. But I think it's definitely got to be fun there. It's definitely different from the demo as well, because the demo had like some different things you could go into the switch and you're changing settings. And this has been more kind of like hands-on, like on-site support kind of thing, like sort this, do that kind of thing. So it should be fun, folks. This, as I said, is going to be play part as the first episode, so it's a wee bit longer, this one, of the IT Specialist Simulator Let's Play. If you enjoyed this one, folks, and you want to see some more, and the carnage that's going to definitely be part of it as well, because we all know that IT support, none ever works right. And the fixes that you think will do it don't work. So this is going to be a fun one to watch, folks. Drop the channel, be like and subscribe, and I shall catch you all in the next episode, folks. Episode 2 will be up soon. This has been episode 1, IT Specialist Simulator Let's Play. My name's Brian, Weirskynet. Have a good day, folks.